Hello friends, today we will discuss sampling methods and its types. Sampling methods are techniques used to select a subset, that is some sample from a larger group which is known as population, to study and draw conclusions. They are broadly classified into probability and non-probability sampling methods. First, probability sampling method. Here, every member has of the population has an equal chance of being selected, or we can say every member has a known non-zero chance of being selected. Types of probability sampling. First is simple random sampling. Probability sampling is also known as random sampling. So simple random sampling is that where every individual has an equal chance of being selected. We can understand with an example drawing 50 students' names from a box containing 500 names using a lottery method. Second is systematic sampling, selecting every nth member from a list. So we can make the selection process by every fifth member will be selected or every 10th member will be selected. So this will be called systematic sampling. For example, choosing every 10th customer from a list of 1,000 shoppers for a survey. Stratified sampling. Here, population is divided into subgroups, that is known as strata, based on characteristics, and samples are taken from each. We can understand with an example. In a university, students are divided by faculty, arts, science, commerce, and samples are taken proportionately from each group. Cluster sampling. Here, population is divided into clusters, usually geographically divided, and entire clusters are randomly selected. For example, to survey rural education, we select 5 random villages or clusters and survey all households within them. Then comes non-probability sampling method. Here, every individual has not a known or equal chance of being selected. Types of non-probability sampling is convenience sampling, selecting individuals who are easiest to reach. For example, a researcher surveys people at a nearby mall due to easy access. Second is judgmental or purposive sampling. Researcher selects participants based on their knowledge or purpose. For example, interviewing only experienced social workers for a study on child welfare. Snowball sampling. Existing subjects recruit future subjects among their acquaintances.